Here's to the open road. Here's to the one who's left behind. Here's to the good life. Here's to the sunrise. Here's to the one who is still alive. It's not pretend I'm living it. It's not believe I'm seeing it. It's not my place, but I'm positioned. In this world of ours, we dance beneath the stars. It should make sense, but it doesn't. It could be years now we're running. It's life is beyond fair. I'm sitting alone on here. It should be without them. It could be years, but it's coming. Here's to the passion that feeds your obsession, honey. Here's to the one who doesn't fight. Here's to the silence. Here's to the chaos to reign. Here's to the one who just gets by.